Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to disable BitLocker encryption during Windows 11 installation. Nowadays, more and more computers come with trusted platform module that is known as TPM, which is a tiny chip required for turning on BitLocker disk encryption. No matter if you prefer to enable BitLocker or not, Windows 11 may automatically activate it during the fresh installation. In this video, we will guide you on how to disable BitLocker during installation on Windows 11. Once you have purchased a new laptop and turn on the first page of the out of the box experience, Windows 11 setup will ask you to choose a language like this. Or otherwise, if you are trying to install a new Windows 11 from a start and you are stuck on this page, you need to press SHIFT plus F10. I will write all these details in this video description, so in case you need it, you can copy and paste, or you can use other things from this one video description. SHIFT plus F10 you need to press when you see language page or during Windows 11 installation. Just press SHIFT plus F10 on your keyboard. This will open command prompt with administrative privilege. Now on the command prompt you need to type regedit. After that press enter on the keyboard. This will open Registry Editor. You need to navigate to hotkey local machine. This one, click on this one entry, hotkey local machine. Then click on this one system, expand system key. After that expand current control set, current control set, this one. After that you need to expand control. Just click on arrow beside control to expand it. After that you will find BitLocker. Select this one BitLocker option. Now on the right side of the BitLocker, right click on the free space and here select new and then dword 32-bit value option and name it Prevent Device Encryption. After that press enter or click outside. Now double click on this one Prevent Device Encryption Regedit and you need to set value data to 1. After that click on this one OK button. Now close this one Registry Editor and close this one command prompt window, and now you can set up language and further proceed with keyboard and other options on your Windows 11 PC. This will not automatically activate BitLocker on your Windows 11 PC. That's all about this video. If you find this video helpful, press thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, subscribe to our channel GearUpWindows. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.